How to install WordPress theme and easy customize for free, video step by step. Welcome to Rism, and we're about helping you to get more skills and knowledge about computer and smartphone. This channel will help you to level up skills in technology by getting tips, tactics, strategies and tricks on computer and smartphone. Sounding up your alley? Hit that subscribe button and we'll see your comments. Hello. Now I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in your computer and use it offline as Localhost using Bitnami WordPress Stack. First, you need to download Bitnami WordPress Stack, then install it. Go to Google, type Bitnami WordPress Stack. Choosing depend on your operating system. Install it. Type your real name. Type your email address. Type login user. Type password you want to use. It's gonna take some minutes to be installed, so wait. Mark Rism, video tutorials with top-level tips, tactics, strategies and tricks to use in daily life, in business, in companies and marketing using computer or smartphone. Stay tuned for more. Comments, like, subscribe, share.